Hello and welcome to the Food Stranger. Today we'll make an air fryer low carb cheeseburgers. That's right, they're low carb. They're perfect for the keto diet, or if you don't want to eat any bread, if you are gluten free, or any of those things. This is the recipe for you. It's a juicy cheeseburger. That's right. By the time we're done with this bad boy, you're gonna be wanting another one. This is actually a really simple recipe that my great-great-grandfather taught me back in 1820. All you really got to do is first head over to your local supermarket or Whole Foods or store, Walmart, whatever it is. I prefer to get the 80-20 ground beef because there's more fat and it's more juicy, but you can get whatever type of beef you want. So you pick up yourself some beef, you bring it home, and then you gather up some other ingredients. I like to mix in red onion, garlic, and I like mine spicy, so I put jalapenos in that bad boy. That's right. You always need a little kick to spice up your life. So all you really have to do is you get your meat, you add in your vegetables and your garlic to make it nice and juicy, and you season it. Don't forget to season it. That's one of the most important things to do. Otherwise, your burger is going to taste like nothing and you're going to be mad at me. So, the seasoning I use in this, I use pepper, salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. But you can add in other stuff too if you like other stuff. It doesn't really matter. This is all cooking without boundaries, There's no boundaries here. You just cook it the way you want to. So, as you can see here on the screen, I'm just mixing it all into the beef, the ground beef I got at the store, my 80-20 beef. Make sure it's nice and seasoned and all of the toppings are mixed inside because I prefer my toppings inside the patty and not on top of the burger. It's too messy on top of the burger. So it's just easier to just add it all up to your beef before you cook it, and then you have a nice juicy patty with all the ingredients inside. So we're almost done with this bad boy. It's gonna be a juicy cheeseburger. So I'm gonna teach you a little trick here in a second. Instead of putting cheese on top of the burger, you can make your burger, I like to call it inside out, or maybe outside in, whatever. I can't think of what the correct term is. But instead of the cheese on top and all the toppings that you normally put, like onion and pepper on top, you put it inside the burger. And then all the juiciness is already in the burger. And it's easier to eat, and it's just a nice, little package for you. So what you do is, after your meat's all done and done up right, just get out a little plate, and I got this burger forming thing at the 99-cent store. You can use your hands or whatever to make your burger patties, but I like this thing. It was only $1. Can't believe it. Anyways, so you get your burger and you start making your patty. But what you do is you make 2 patties, and inside you stuff your cheese. Oh yeah, I know you've probably never tried that before, but please bear with me here. Just give her a try. I guarantee your burger's gonna come out nice and juicy. I guarantee it. So make sure you make a nice little pocket inside the first patty, and you just stuff whatever cheese you like. I'm using American cheese, but you can use cheddar or Swiss, or even blue cheese, or cheddar. Yeah, any type of cheese is good. And you just make sure when you put the second patty on top that you seal the edges. Otherwise, when you're cooking it, the cheese is gonna ooze out the side, and you're not gonna have a cheeseburger anymore. You're just gonna have a regular burger, which is fine if you don't like cheeseburgers, but right here we're making cheeseburgers. So don't mess it up, or otherwise I'm gonna be very upset with you. I'm gonna be very upset with you. Okay. Now that we're done making our patty, now all we got to do is throw it in our air fryer and cook this bad boy. This burger's pretty big. You can make yours a little smaller if you want. I don't know. I just wanted to have one big juicy burger here, but this is about twice the size of a regular burger. This is a half-pound burger right here. So, in order to cook it properly in the air fryer, all you got to do is preheat your air fryer 370 degrees for about 10 minutes. You want to get it nice and warm inside. Then you spray it down with some olive oil or some oil, and you throw the burger in for 12 minutes, 370 degrees. That's it. And you flip it halfway. How easy is that? I can't believe it. Usually if you put it in an oven or on a stove, you gotta watch it and do all kinds of crazy stuff with it, but no, you just push 2 buttons, you flip it, and boom, 12 minutes later, look at those juicy bad boys. Okay, now that the patties are done, we're just gonna make our lettuce wrap burger. This is the low carb version. We're not gonna use any buns. So I just got some lettuce and I laid it all out on a plate, and then you're just gonna put your dressing on top. I'm using a mayo garlic dressing, homemade dressing that I have, and I sliced up some tomatoes, and then you just wrap it up like a burrito. Oh yeah, I know you guys like burritos too. I'm gonna show you how to make a burrito sometime later. Anyways, this burger gets an 8 out of 10 and only costs $3. Oh yeah. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.